This is Series 1, Episode 41, and I just want to get the negativity out of the way first and point out again this monthly price action. That is a classic reversal signal, guys. I've seen it time and time again, and I mentioned it many times now, so I'm very cautious about any rallies in the day on the NASDAQ or any of the indices at the moment. So just keep that in the back of your mind that that is there on the monthly chart, and no one's talking about it as far as I'm aware. Now if I go down to the daily chart, everything looks good, right? So we've got the support. Yesterday was horrible, and I said very clearly, if we took out this low here, then I'd be concerned and I would expect price to drop. We didn't take out the low. We've managed to stay above this low, and the price action is very positive today, very positive. However, I know Wall Street. And with that monthly price bar on the NASDAQ, I just want to make people aware that they should be cautious. Nothing's confirmed yet that this is a valid rally yet. And the other thing I want to do, guys, is something I've not done before. This is a little bit more technical, but I will explain it. I'm going to take the Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci retracement, go to the most recent swing point high, and draw down to the major low. Most traders know that the 61.8% on the Fibonacci tool is called the golden ratio. Traders will often push price to that level, and it's a psychological level, and then price falls away. Now I'm not saying that's going to happen, guys. I'm just saying that is often the case. When you see a move down, big move down, and then price tries to make its way back up again, it often struggles with the golden ratio, the 61.8. Now this is more technical, guys, and I want to keep things simple, so I won't be talking about that anymore. I'll leave it on the chart. So that's the NASDAQ. Now let me show you something on the Dow Jones, which will probably get you thinking. This is the daily chart on the Dow Jones. Look at this, guys. You see, this is the high, then high again, 3 times, and we tried to break that high again today. We just cannot seem to break it. And then you see this bar is similar to that monthly bar that I was talking about on the NASDAQ. Now let me just show you something. If you look to the left and you see what happened here when price came up on the Dow Jones before, and then you start seeing these smaller bars, and price was trying to break the high before. Look at it. It kept trying to break it, failed, and then look what you see there. A similar kind of situation. These smaller bars, where price is struggling, and look what happens. Immediately you get a drop. So I'm just highlighting it, guys, just showing you, and hopefully you'll learn from it as well, because it's good if you can trade for yourselves. So that is the Dow Jones daily. Again, a little bit too negative for my liking. The fact that we've tried to break that high, and that's the 3rd attempt. We didn't get through, and we fell. So just bear it in mind, please. I'll go back to the NASDAQ. I'll leave that all there, guys. I don't like to predict what's going to happen, because I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just pointing out what I think might happen. I think price might try to make its way up to the 61.8 and then possibly fall. I don't know, guys. I'm just explaining. Just think about it from, if you were in charge of money, you control money flowing through the markets. What would you do to get new money in the markets? You would, I know what I would do. I would convince the novices that a rally we're back in this bullish behaviour. Convince the novices that there's a really strong bullish activity going on, and then all the new money piles back into the stock market, and everyone's like, yes, we're back in the bull market. And then what would I do? I'd reverse it. Take all that fresh money, thank you very much, take it down and take out all those stop losses and then bring the prices lower. Now, is that going to happen? Absolutely no idea. I'm just saying that's what I would do if I was in Wall Street's position, and that's what they do. I've seen it time and time again, guys. I've been doing this for 15 years. So just bear that all in mind. Remember about the monthly price action. Just be cautious about your trades, and we'll see how this pans out. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll speak to you soon.